Hello students, another important geometry chapter, circle. Already we discussed paper analysis of triangles, now circles. Only two exercise, tangent to a circle and number of tangent from a point on a circle. So the first exercise you have two theorems, here also two theorems, around four theorems are there. In triangles you have only one theorem. So you can expect any one theorem from these two chapters. And apart from theorems, you have different types of problems. In second exercise, if you look at these three exercises, so around 60% of the problem based on this concept, length of tangent from an external points, everything is there. You can expect small question from this, but section B or C or D you can expect from the second exercise. So NCERT is not enough for to get sent up, so you have to go through either R.D. Sharma or last 10 years question bank. In Marvel Math app we have all the board questions is there, and R.D. Sharma solution is available. Also video explanation test papers are also available to get good mark. So subscribe Marvel Math recorded courses. Thank you. Good news for students of class 8 to 10 CBSE and state board. If you are preparing for board exam or JEE or NEET, so join our telegram channel Marvel classes for free sample papers and short tricks videos and sample papers for annual exams. Also join our telegram channel exclusive for math question papers and math videos. And if you want to check concepts through videos, join our telegram channel for mathematics Marvel Maths, for science subject Marvel classes. If you want in videos in Tamil, Marvel classes Tamil. Marvel classes Tamil. Here the videos are only in Tamil. For English, science subject Marvel classes, and in Marvel Math you can watch concept based videos, problem solving videos, exam tips videos and paper analysis videos. So if you subscribe that video, you can easily get all board support videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel, also join our telegram channel. Thank you.